Facial masks are skincare products applied to the face, typically as a thick paste or gel, and left on for a period of time before being rinsed off. There are various types of facial masks, each designed to address different skin concerns. 1. Clay masks. These masks contain clay, such as kaolin or bentonite, which help to absorb excess oil and impurities from the skin. They are suitable for oily and acne-prone skin. 2. Sheet masks. Sheet masks are single-use masks soaked in a serum or essence. They are made from materials like cotton or hydrogel and are designed to deliver hydration and nutrients to the skin. 3. Gel masks. Gel masks have a cooling and soothing effect on the skin. They often contain ingredients like aloe vera or hyaluronic acid, which hydrate and calm the skin. 4. Cream masks. Cream masks are rich and nourishing, suitable for dry or mature skin. They contain moisturizing ingredients like shea butter or oils to hydrate and soften the skin. 5. Exfoliating masks. These masks contain ingredients like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or enzymes that help to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, resulting in smoother and brighter skin. The benefits of using facial masks include: 1. Deep cleansing. Masks can help to draw out impurities, dirt, and excess oil from the pores, leaving the skin clean and refreshed. 2. Hydration. Many masks are formulated with hydrating ingredients that replenish moisture levels in the skin, leading to a more plump and supple complexion. 3. Brightening. Certain masks contain ingredients like vitamin C or niacinamide that help to brighten the skin and fade dark spots or hyperpigmentation. 4. Soothing and calming. Masks with ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile have a soothing effect on the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. 5. Exfoliation. Exfoliating masks help to remove dead skin cells, revealing smoother, more radiant skin underneath. 6. Tightening and firming. Some masks contain ingredients that temporarily tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Overall, incorporating a facial mask into your skincare routine can help to improve the health and appearance of your skin, leaving it looking and feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.